Alright, so on these tests, you'll notice that I have you write the rules on every single problem that you know how to. Right? And that means, so it should look like this. When I'm trying to find this, when I'm given something like this, we should set it up like a proof. Okay, so I have a proof line, right? I have a given, okay, and the given is RQ is equal to TQ. And that means I mark it. Okay? Alright? And so over here I can just go given. Okay? Now from that I can't really do anything from that, right? So I go with another one. Is there anything else I can do? Well, I know that that's a leg. I know that this is a right angle. So technically I could say that SRQ is equal to STQ, which is equal to 90 degrees, right? And then number 2 is definition of a right angle. Okay? Alright, from there, that allows me this. What is this guy? We know that that's a hypotenuse, right? Because it's across from the 90, right? So, and we know this, that it's equal to itself. That SQ is equal or congruent, right, to, and all these are congruent, sorry about that, is congruent to QS, right? And we call that reflection. Okay? And because of that, then we know that the triangle SRQ is congruent to triangle STQ due to HL. And once we know that, then we know we're given that the measure of angle QSR is equal to 4A plus 2, right? We're also given the measure of angle QST is equal to 7A minus 49. Well, QSR, this guy, is congruent to QST due to this, right? So therefore, 4A plus 2 is equal to 7A minus 49. And why? And then call that, whenever you go because, this is what I taught last year. Every time you say because, it's a definition. That's really, because it's a right angle, it's a definition of a right angle. Because they're congruent angles, it's a definition of congruent angles. Okay? Anytime that, so we're just trading our slang because for our big boy parents or our big boy rules or words, definition. Okay? He's a big boy. Alright? So now we start doing the problem. Right? And so I'm going to minus 4A, minus 4A. And so what did I do to both sides? I have 2 is equal to 3A minus 49. What's that called? That's called, come on guys, subtraction property of equality. Okay? Next what? That's right. So 7 gets me 52 is equal to 3A, and that's addition property of equality. Then, so 8 is, what is 52 divided by 3? Wait a minute, 52. Isn't that 51? Sorry, that's 51. So 21 is 7. So that would be 17. Right? Is equal to A. And that would be, what's that called? Division property of equality. And then we find the QST. I just plug it in, right? So 7 times 17 minus 49. Okay, so that's called substitution. Okay, and I should get, what is that, 70 plus 49 minus 49 gives me 70. Okay, so it's 70-degree angle, the QST. Okay, due to substitution. Does that make sense? Did I record that? Good.